Hello everyone! Today we are going to go over best practices to get you familiar with advanced animations. Let's dive in. Here, I have a 10-second banner with simple fade in and out effects. The idea is to make the car move horizontally, turn 90 degrees, move vertically up, and then come back from the bottom. To switch to the advanced animation mode, I'll click the movie icon on the layer with the car image. For the animation, we will need move X for moving the car horizontally, move Y for moving it vertically, and rotation to turn the car. I'm going to move the timeline pointer to 0 seconds. This will be the point where the car animation will start. Now I'll move the car image itself to the starting point, and we'll click the plus keyframe icon near the Move X animation property. This will add a keyframe with the current horizontal position of the car. Next, I'm going to move the car to the right. This is where I will add the second keyframe. So as you can see, our car is now moving from left to right. Now, I'll add a keyframe for the Move Y animation property to start moving the object vertically. I'm going to move the car to the top and also move the red pointer to the position where the second keyframe will be added. Cool! So our car now moves from left to right and then to the top. Let's add a car turn effect. I'm going to drag the red pointer to the position where the car starts moving to the top, and I'm going to add a keyframe for the rotation animation property. Next, I'm going to add another rotation keyframe with a 1-second duration. This time, I will set the rotation animation value manually. Our car needs to turn left, and therefore, I'm going to set the value to minus 90 degrees. I'm also going to set the easing to back ease out, and choose the top center pivot point for the rotation of our car. Perfect. The car now moves from left to right, then turns 90 degrees, and moves to the top, just as we planned. Now I'm going to animate the car movement from the bottom of the banner, but first I need to move the car from top to bottom and hide this movement, so the car will instantly come out from the bottom after the vertical animation to the top of the banner. I'm going to activate the opacity animation property for the car layer. Next, I'm going to add a few more keyframes for hiding the car and showing the car. The first keyframe will be 100% opacity, and the second, 0% to hide the car. I will also update the duration of this hide effect to 0.05 seconds to make the animation fast. Then, I'll add 2 more keyframes from 0% to 100% to make the car visible again. I'm going to zoom the timeline to better see the animation keyframes. Next, I'm going to add 1 keyframe for vertical position when the opacity is 0 on top, and another when opacity is 0 at the bottom. This way, the move animation from top to bottom will happen exactly when the car is invisible. And finally, I will move the car up to the canvas to make the effect like the car comes out from the bottom. Cool! Let's see the final animation. This is how you can use the advanced animation mode to create cool effects in Banner Now. Thank you for watching, and happy animating!